How do you block spam calls on your Android phone? Let me explain that and show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are a few ways you can approach this. At first, when you open up the phone app and tap the three dots to expand the settings, specifically settings for phone app, you can see that we have some options. If you tap on block numbers, you can see that you have the ability to block calls from unknown numbers. So, as I say, that's one of the options. Like if you mean spam calls and literally want to block everybody except for the people you know, you can enable this option. You also have a block spam and scam calls, and you can see that when you go in here, you essentially enable it like this, and it will use some service to identify these callers and those which are not in your contacts, and that's something which you can definitely do. The same thing is part of the main call settings, the caller ID and the spam protection. You can also just enable it from this place. So that's like a nice way to use the tech of your phone to kind of like detect if it's a spam call or a legit one and decide accordingly if it goes through or not. But part of the block numbers, you can as well type in a dedicated or specific phone number which you wish to block from calling you. So that's something you can do outright. If you have some specific numbers which you don't wish to receive calls from, you can just type them in and those will not be able to reach you. So that is the best way to block spam calls on the Android phone. Let me know if that is the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.